Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trademark certificate online. First, you need to understand the scope of trademark protection and what it covers for your brand or product. Next, perform a comprehensive search to confirm your chosen mark is unique and not already in use. This crucial step helps avoid potential conflicts and rejections. Finally, collect all required details and supporting documents to streamline your application process. Once you've completed your preliminary research, select the appropriate application form. There are different types, so choose the one that best fits your situation. Accurately describe the goods or services your trademark will represent. This is vital for defining its scope. If your application requires a specimen, ensure it clearly shows how your mark is used in commerce. This preparation ensures a smoother submission. With all your information ready, create an account on the official Trademark Office's online portal. This is where you'll submit your application. Before hitting submit, meticulously review every detail to prevent errors that could delay the process. Pay the required fees securely through the online system. After submission, regularly check your application status for any communications or requests from the Trademark Office. After submission, you might receive office actions, which are official communications from the Trademark Office. Respond to these promptly and thoroughly to keep your application moving forward. Be aware of the publication period during which others can oppose your mark. Once approved, your certificate will be issued, granting you exclusive rights. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, see the link in the description below. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.